Hi everyone, once again I'm back. Hope you all are doing very well. You might be very curious to know that what is the topic today I'm going to cover. Uh, Many of you might be right now thinking of taking PCB or PCM in your class 10th, or if you're in class 12, then you might be having PCB or PCM. That's what we call as science stream. And when we talk about science stream, definitely we have an arena of courses in which the very elite is considered as medical or engineering. But do you know that now we are having a number of courses which are actually allied to these courses? Means any industry can work only when there are some allied services. For example, on a very basic strata, if I'm having 100 tons of grains, if I don't have transportation facilities, then I can't transport those grains to anywhere. Similarly, we may be having doctors, we may be having engineers, but we have so many industries, and definitely with the coming years, they are going to boom up. And one of that industry is called as food technology. Yes, my friends, food technology. So now, what is food technology? And today we are going to talk about food technology, the courses that are available in food technology, as well as the colleges which are offering, what are their criteria, and even if you want to go abroad, then what are the scope. So to start off with, I can say that food technology is a branch of science, and it deals with various methodology techniques which includes the production, processing, preservation. As you all know now, most of the food are frozen. We have the frozen food as well. So preservation, packaging, labeling, quality management, and distribution of these food products. In fact, in another word, they boost up the quality of the food products that are available. And as per, if we rely on the data, the Indian food processing industry is ranked fifth in terms of production, consumption, export, and expected growth. It is going to be around 32% in the coming years. Moreover, it is the largest production in the world. And it is said that by 2025 to 26, it would reach around 40,000 billion INR. And by 2024, it is going to generate an employment of around 9 million. Just imagine 9 million. Now, the next question comes, okay, it seems to be good. I can keep it as an option. I can keep it as my main aim. So what I need to do? Food technology courses are available in diploma, in undergrads, postgrads level, and it can be pursued after 12th standard. Then definitely there are certain certification courses also, which are which I can say these micro certifications are for those who are already there in the industries, or that can go for the basic levels. The overall duration of the such courses goes up to 4 years. That depends on what kind of course you have taken. Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology, Lakshmi Narayan Institute of Technology, Jamia Hamdard, Gautam Buddha University, Galgotia, lovely professionals are some of the private universities which are providing food technology courses. And you can apply as lab technician, biochemist, food technologist, production manager, home economist. It depends where you are going to apply. Now, the basic criteria. The basic criteria for such food course, if you are into 9th standard or 10th standard, then you need to go for PCB or PCM. Both of them are eligible. I'll tell you later what is the difference between if you are taking PCB and if you are taking PCM. Or currently if you are in 11th or 12th standard and if you have taken PCM, then what are the criterias, and if you have taken PCB, then how it goes to help you out. You can, as I said, you need to have PCM or PCB, and in order to go further, you will be having two options. If you are with what I say PCB, then you will be going for BSc. And if you are going for BTech food technology, then maths is compulsory, right? That means you can approach the same stream through BSc food technology or BTech food technology. When you are applying for BTech, then definitely you need to apply for JE. JE mains, JE advanced, then you have COMET, then you have ICAR, the Agricultural Research Institute. They are also conducting their own exams. Then its GATE is there. That is after class 12th. That means you need to take science stream. And if you are taking science with maths, then you are applying for BTech. As I said, you also have certificate courses. They are from Sangrur, VMOU, then Sainath University, SLIT, IGNOU. They are some of the one which gives certificate. Then you also have diploma. The various diplomas are diploma in food analysis, quality assurance, in food science technology, then diploma in food science preservation and management, diploma in food production, diploma in food technology and nutraceuticals. And if you are now going to undergrad course, BSc food technology, BTech or BE food technology, BSc food science, bachelor's in food technology courses are there, which maybe BSc is 3 years, whereas BTech is for 4 years. And as I have already told you, if you are going for BSc food technology, we have certain colleges, certain universities in Delhi and all around India. And if you are going for BSc food science, food nutrition, food preservation, once again you have. Then apart from IITs, BTech is also given by Anna University, Punjab University, Shivaji College. Similarly, once you are complete with basics, master, you can also pursue masters and even PhD. So IIT Kharagpur is one of the premier institute, Jadavpur, Kolkata, NIT Roorkela, Amity, Aligarh Muslim University, then IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Congo University are some of the most relevant and very famous institute give institutes giving this course. If anyone even wants to go abroad, because you have ample opportunities when you go to Canada, US, Singapore, Melbourne, Colombia. You have a number of universities, but the criteria for university depends from country to country. Sometimes the universities, if you want to know anything about abroad, do book a session with me. I'm available on 9910522680. So you can anytime book a session with me, understand how abroad studies can help you out. If you are having some aptitude towards food science, technical science, organizational skills, you have an analytical mind, you have interest in health and nutrition, you have ability to work with the data, problem solving skills, then the skill is for you. But the question is how I find my skills. How do I know that these are the aptitudes I have? So for that, my friends, I would suggest that we have all the counselors, they have a very good program, what we call as brain mapping, psychometric test. And when you take such test, it, believe me, it really helps you out to know what are your aptitudes, what are your interests. Aptitude is the ability to learn in the future, to adapt those skills. And interest, because a person might have interest in a number of areas, but the actual interest which actually correlates with your aptitude, that gives you the correct clarity. And that is what we believe in Metrology, that confusion to clarity. So you can book a simple psychometric test, which is actually very cheap at Pinterolaza. Why I say is, when you go for a pizza, you pay around 1000 rupees. That includes a number of GSTs and taxes. We don't take any charges. We are taking a simple charge which actually maps your brain. And once you are aware about your aptitude, and if you have these kinds of aptitude, then definitely you can have a clarity. And in a nutshell, what I say is that food technology has a huge scope in India. As I have already said, that is one of the largest industries, and it is going to boom up by 25-26. And secondly, it is also one of the largest industries which is going to generate the employment. You can apply for a job directly after your graduations, like biochemist, food technologist, production manager, etc. Or if you want to pursue masters, that you can definitely do. Or even if you want to go for a simple short term courses, that's also possible. And if you want to go abroad, then also. This industry, quality control inspectors or food technologists, they are all the one who produce a nutritious, safe, convenient food products. They help in food preservation, better manufacturing, better packaging, better practices. You may require to visit the restaurants or food processing plants to ensure that the sanitation codes, the safety regulations are followed. If you're there in the labs, then you might be checking the samples, measuring and analyzing the results, which is very important. If you are into the biochemist, Then you may study about the life forms, their structural roles, the records. And if you are into the production manager, you may be required to monitor equipments processing used in the food technology. Now when it comes to production manager, you also have the scope of going for MBAs after your masters. You may be monitoring the plants that converts the raw materials, then including the fish, animals, vegetable, grains, which are transforming them into goods. If you are into the home economist, you may be expert in nutrition and dietetics. In this manner, I can say that you have ample scope. So don't constrain your scopes to engineering or medical, or don't be disheartened if you don't know what are the other scopes available. And the average annual salary starts somewhere around 4 lakh to it goes on. Similarly, the recruiters, if you see, I can list a few like Amul, Coca-Cola, Nestle, Agrotech, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever, Dabur India, ITC Limited, Parley Products. These are some of the few companies I have named. So my friends, do not wait for the opportunities to knock your door. Grab those opportunities. And if you want to know something else in this field or any other field, do feel free to contact me on my number, WhatsApp number 99105 22680. I repeat, 99105 22680. Looking forward to meet all of you on a Zoom platform, to counsel some of you, to help you out in getting the clarity about your courses, about your streams. Goodbye for now. Have a good day. Bye.